Hello, this is Daniel Brown from Pishon River Ministries. I'm an evangelist and an author, and I deliver a message of hope and encouragement in this world of wickedness, hate, and despair. Today's message isn't really a message, I guess, but it's fun nonetheless. It's called Let's All Act Like Dogs. Thanks for listening, and I hope you'll enjoy. Let's all act like dogs. When loved ones come home, always run to greet them. Never pass up the opportunity to go for a joyride. Or allow the experience of fresh air and the wind in your face to be pure joy. Don't forget this one. Take naps. Another way we can act like dogs? Stretch before rising. How about run, romp, and play all day? How about this one? Thrive on attention and let people touch you. And my favorite, avoid biting when a simple growl will do. Also, on warm days, stop to lie on your back on the grass. On hot days, drink lots of water and lay under a shady tree. When you're happy, dance around and wag your entire body. Delight in the simple joy of a long walk, or eat with gusto and enthusiasm. Stop when only you've had enough. Be loyal, never pretend to be something you're not. Another one of my favorites. If you want what lies buried, dig and dig until you find it. When someone is having a bad day, be silent, sit close, and nuzzle them gently. And last but not least, be always grateful for each new day. God, I'd like to be a dog. How about yourself? Thanks for listening. God bless.